Ever wondered how many Satoshis you need to be in the top 10%, 5%, or even the top 1% of Bitcoin holders in the next 10, 20, or 30 years? This might just blow your mind because even owning just a fraction of Bitcoins today could set you up for a massive financial security in the future. And stick around because we'll talk about exactly how much you need to accumulate to be in the elite group. Now, before we dive deep into the numbers, let me say it. This is not a financial advice. This is simply for educational purposes and to help you think long term about your Bitcoins and Satoshis holdings. How many Satoshis do you need to get in the top? Let's break it down. Right now, even owning a small amount of Bitcoins measured in Satoshis could potentially put you ahead of the majority of the population. But what will it take to be in the top 10, top 5%, or 1% of the holder in the next few decades? Now, top 10%, you'll probably need to hold somewhere between 0.01 and 0.1 BTC. That means 1 to 10 million Satoshis to be in the top 10% of holder in the future. Bitcoin supply is fixed. So as demand increases, your small stash of sats today will represent a much larger piece of the pie tomorrow. Now 5%, top 5%, to climb to this top 5%, you'll be looking at holding around 0.1 to 1 BTC. That means 10 to 100 million Satoshis. As Bitcoin's value grows, owning even a fraction of a Bitcoin could put you in a position of significant financial leverage. Now, top 1%, if you want to be part of the ultra elite, the top 1%, you'll need to accumulate 1 BTC or more. That means 100 million Satoshis. That might sound like a stretch now, but as we've seen, the long-term values of Bitcoins has only gone up. And with the limit supply, owning just 1 BTC, 1 Bitcoins could be like owning a rare asset. Why consistency matter? The powers of accumulating Satoshis. The real secret, it's not about trying to times the market or going all in on the big purchase. The key is consistency. Even if you're just accumulating small amounts like $10 worth of Bitcoins per week, it's going to add up in the long run. Think about this. Satoshis are scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, which means as more people catch on, demands will rise and the values of each Satoshis will skyrocket. Predictions suggest that by 2030 and beyond, a Satoshis could be worth anywhere between 0.0042 and 0.00069 by Free Crypto Scan and Kodak. In fact, by 2050, even owning a small fraction of Bitcoins might put you in a great position. But remember, it's about the long-term mindset. The benefits of holding Bitcoins and Satoshis. I know it can be tempting to sell when Bitcoin's price jumps. But here's the thing. Selling now could mean missing out on massive future gains. Many analysts suggest that in the future, you'll be able to borrow against your Bitcoin. So instead of selling it, you could use it as collateral for loans and other investments. Bitcoins is scarce, guy. Once all 21 million Bitcoins have been mined, That's it. The supply is fixed forever. The less Bitcoins there is available, the more valuable each Satoshi becomes. So, even if you're accumulating small amounts now, hold on tight because the potential upsides in 10, 20, or 30 years could be game changing. Why you should keep stacking and not panic? Consistency is the name of the game. If you're just getting started, don't worry if you can't buy a full Bitcoin. Even stacking small amounts consistently could lead to huge benefits down the road. It's easy to get discouraged when the market dips or doesn't move as fast as you want. But remember, Bitcoin has shown over and over that it's resilient. Every Satoshi counts. Those small regular investments might not feel huge now, but with times they compound and the long-term value could surprise you. So keep stacking, stay patient, and trust the process, guys. I hope this encourages you to seize the potentials of your Bitcoin's journey. All right, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribe for more. And please kindly give this video a like. Take care. See you soon.